Properly using Stripe on Big Cartel is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you don't have a Stripe account, go to the Stripe website and sign up for an account. Log in to your Big Cartel admin dashboard. Navigate to Store and then Payment. Select Stripe from the available payment options. Click on the Connect with Stripe button. Next, follow the prompts to sign in to your Stripe account and grant permission for Big Cartel to access your Stripe account. Once connected, configure your Stripe settings within the Big Cartel admin dashboard. Set your preferred currency, business information, and other relevant details. In the payment section of your Big Cartel admin, ensure that Stripe is enabled as a payment option. Before making your store live, conduct test transactions to ensure that payments are being processed correctly. You can use test card numbers provided by Stripe for this purpose. Once you've tested and confirmed that Stripe is working correctly, you can make your Big Cartel store live.